Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a door seal that's been damaged. Now this van is a 95 model, so it is 30 years old, and it's not easy to get whole door seals brand new. I haven't been able to find one, and if I do find one, I'm not sure I want to be spending the money that they're probably going to ask for it. So what I did, I went to the wreckers and I got a section of door rubber which cost me nothing. I think it might have been a couple of dollars. I did buy a few other things while I was at the wrecking yard, but this actually come from an old door that already had damaged door rubbers. A lot of these door rubbers are already damaged, and luckily the part that I need was good. So let's go over here to the van. This is where the damaged part is, and this is the replacement. Let's go over there and have a look, and then I'm going to show you how to fix it. And all the tools you're going to need to do it is a good quality pair of scissors and some adhesive to stick the rubber back together. Now you can buy 5 tubes of this stuff at Bunnings for I think $2. Just in case you don't believe me, I'm going to put a screenshot up here on the screen so you can actually see how much I paid for this. I've already used some of this, but it should still be fine. So let's go and have a look at what the damage is and let's see how to fix it. This is it here. You can see how the rubber's been shredded, and the rest of the door rubber is like brand new. So it's only this little section here that's damaged, and I don't really want to be replacing all of this if it's still good. Now I believe someone at some stage tried to break into the van, because what people do, they get a coat hanger or a bit of wire and they push it through the rubber to lift up the door lock pin here. That activates the door lock mechanism. So what they used to do back in the day, and they might still do it, is get a bit of wire, push it through the gap in the door, which damages the rubber just like this, and then they would hook this knob here with the wire, and then they would just pull it up, unlocking the door. So I'm guessing this is what's happened here. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut out this section here that's damaged and replace it with that section there. You can see there's a joint here already, and there's another joint up the top there. We're going to cut through that, and then we're going to cut it in the same place here and join it back together. Now this part here is nice and perfect, the bend, and you can see this bend here is damaged, so I'm going to join it after the bend. So I'm going to cut that off here. When you cut these, try and be as accurate as you can. However, there is some flex in this rubber, so you do have a little bit of flexibility. So I'm going to cut it right on that joint there. There you go. And I'm going to cut this one right on the same joint. Now we'll use our adhesive and put it on the rubber joint where it's going to join together. And we're going to join it together very carefully. Okay, you can see there, that's all joined back together. And look, it is pretty good. It is not 100% perfect, but no one is actually going to look at it that closely once it's back in there. You can probably just pick it if you look close enough, but no one's ever going to look at it that closely. It's perfectly fine, and it is a lot better than what it was beforehand. So now I'm going to carefully cut this off, and I'm going to cut it on this joint. There's already a natural joint there, so we're going to cut that, and I'm going to cut this on that same joint. So now those two pieces get joined together. Okay, here we go. All fixed. Job done. There's a little joint there that you might just be able to spot if you look hard enough. And there's a little joint there that you might be able to spot if you look hard enough. But no one's going to care. It looks much better than that. That's your before and that's your after. And all this for a total cost of about $5 at the most. Now there you go, that was pretty easy. Most people should be able to do that without any problems at all. And it literally took less time to do it than what it takes for you to watch this video. It actually takes longer to do these things when I film the video than if I just did it. It would have probably only taken me half the time to do this if I wasn't filming it. And this is the part here that we've cut out, and this is now going in the bin. Okay, this is rubbish. And it's not only about looks, because now the door actually seals again. So I've got a functional seal, so there's no water leaks coming through that gap, and there's no more wind noise when you're driving down the highway. Stuff like this creates wind noise as wind rushes in through the door if you're going down the motorway at 110 k's an hour. So replacing that is not only better to look at, it's also a lot more functional and better for your car. Now if you have any questions about anything you saw in today's video, leave your question down below in the comment section. I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favour, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.